So despite a win in the last match, the ODI series were not all that we hoped for. But there are still plenty of reasons to watch the upcoming T20s. And here are a few of them. If the ODI series saw the resurrection of Ishant Sharma, it could well be the comeback opportunity for the other tall, lanky Indian pacer, Ashish Nehra. Ishant has shown the way by bagging a handful of wickets. Now let's see if Nehra can do the same. Also, after celebrating the hits and misses of our oh-so-talented debutant, Tawqir Rahman, we can't wait to see Bhaji return.
Where were the hands? Well, it's actually come off the legs and he's actually quite a clumsy stop that Tawqir Rahman. So Australia lose another.
Mohammad Shami's replacement for the T20s, Jasprit Bumrah, showed signs of promise in the final ODI. So is the pacer with an awkward action or one-shine pony, or can he turn out to be the real stuff? Should be fun to find out. More than 200 runs in just 2 ODIs, lots of entertainment, and the new daddy seems to have even more oomph. How is that even possible? It looks like it is only going to get better in the T20s.
Warner to the right, back to the left, and everyone to the ground.
Seriously, Rohit Sharma has made 441 runs in this series and still remains unhappy. Well, I guess anyone would be unhappy if they missed out on a century by 1 run. What does this man need to do to ward off the jinx? Reckon the T20s will be better for him? Surely. The 50th over of both the innings saw a century, 11 in this series. Manish Pandey, though, is the only Indian to have made a ton and raised his bat to a winning cause. Manish Pandey. What surprise will the first T20 throw up?
Manish Pandey, what a shot to bring up his first ODI 100.
If for no other reason, just to watch the Australians do things like this. Virat Kohli went from what could have been a great start to an unlucky one. But what fielding? Spider Cam did what most of the players could not, get under the skin of a batsman. After that dead ball, Kohli couldn't find his rhythm, out for 8. What will stop Virat Kohli in Adelaide? India found a fix to their bowling, batting, fielding problems. A stroke of luck. And then some. Will India rely on this formula the series to come, or can they pull something else out of the hat? And finally, India do have a win. They retain their second spot in the rankings. But after all that drama on display, one can also look forward to a Yuvraj Singh adding to it.
The Australians have won the series, but